7 habits. We're going to be talking about growth mindset, leadership, having respect, making good choices. It's going to be amazing.
When they focus on something, you think of reasons why you can't. You just think, oh, I can't. No, I'm not tall enough. I'm not smart enough. I'm not cool enough. I'm not good looking enough. I'm not skinny enough. I'm not enough. You say, I can't. Raise your hand if you've had or heard those excuses, right? We all have, right? If you change your mindset and you just change those 2 words, I can't, to a simple question of 3 words, how can I? If you say I can't, you're right. You gotta ask the question, how can I? What do we ask? How can I, right? And so he taught us, you start with 1, and then you work on 2, and then you can do 3. And I learned how to chuckle.
We just had Joe Fingerhut come and talk growth mindset with our 3rd and 4th grade students who are getting ready to test next week. We've been teaching growth mindset, so this was a great added bonus. It was so engaging. The kids were brought out to help. The teachers were brought out to help. I would certainly recommend bringing them.
I want to tell you the craziest thing I saw in Japan. I saw some kids riding unicycles. And they were good. Now, have you ever seen somebody doing something and you're like, I want to do that? Yeah. So that's how I was. I really wanted to do that. But I didn't know how. And I didn't think I can't. I asked that question. Remember what the question was? That's right. How can I? That's key to growth mindset. How am I going to grow? So I got my hands on a unicycle.
An inspirational, motivational speaker to come to my school to provide my kids another opportunity to learn about the 7 habits and how to be great leaders, along with having a growth mindset.
Sometimes when we jump into something really intense at first and we fail, we give up. He's like, no, don't give up, just take it slow. Like, get on the unicycle and give it a rest.
I would highly recommend, if you need somebody to come into your building and do a leadership assembly for your students, I would recommend Joe Fingerhut.
The only person who can pop your dream is you.